everybody, it's Sharon here. Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome to any new subscribers that may be visiting for the first time. So I have some digital shares for you today from JunkWithSteph, and a couple of them I've shared before, but I am looking to start a new little project and I wanted to share these kits with you. I've printed them slightly differently, not different for me, but nevertheless differently. So I'll share as I go. This first kit, just make sure I'm in camera. Okay, this first kit is called 1908 and I have shared it with you before. I've actually used this first sheet of paper that's on top here in a previous book page snippet roll video, and I've reprinted it so I can share this kit with you today. It's a gorgeous kit and it just makes me happy to look at. So I thought I would reshare. As you may or may not be aware, I'm on Steph's design team, and you will find the JunkWithSteph Etsy shop in using the link in the description below this video. I always have a link to Steph's shop when I work with her digital papers. So very feminine kit, this one. It's very very lacy and soft pastel colors. I just think it's glorious. Okay, so that is 1908. Now the reason I wanted to reshare that with you today is because I have actually reprinted that kit, and of course I don't have my kits in order, so bear with me. Okay, so just check I'm in camera. So this is actually the same kit. Now I've printed it 2 to a page, and if you've been watching my channel for a while and you've watched any of these flip through videos, you'll know that I often print kits 2 to a page, but I have a particular project in mind. So I'm wanting to work on some mini journals, and I decided that I wanted to play with perspective a little bit. So for the video today, I just want to share with you what I've printed and how I've printed it, and then as I move forward I will talk to you more about what I have in mind. So I don't know how much of my journal process I will share on video, but I'm excited and I cannot wait to get started. So I just wanted to grab this page. This is the same page. I'm hoping you can see okay. I don't sort of want to shift everything around now that I've got it in camera properly, but this is the same page, and printing it 2 to a page makes it that much smaller. So by doing that, I've already changed the perspective of the kit. So I'm so excited to share these with you and to start creating. So these are all printed onto normal copy paper, and I've decided to keep my journal pages on normal copy paper because I don't want to make my mini journal too bulky. I just think they're so pretty at this size. I mean, they're gorgeous regardless, but I don't know, there's something magical to me about oh, this page here. The next 2 pages are actually printed on matte photo paper, and it was an accidental print, but totally usable. So I just thought I'd share those with you as part of today's video. So that is 1908, printed at 2 to a page. And this next kit is 1908 ephemera add-on kit, 2 to a page, and it's printed on matte photo paper. Now I haven't actually shared this kit with you before. What I will tell you is that when I printed this, I had the fit to page option ticked, And so a couple of my pieces, including these tickets, have been cut off, which was rather unfortunate, but I thought I'd check them properly, and I overlooked seeing a couple of things that weren't going to print correctly. This card here, for instance, and these labels at the bottom also didn't print very well, and the items at the top, I think I was going to reprint this particular page. I don't know that I did. I'm not sure. I thought I had, but I have forgotten to put it with these papers by the look of it. So, or maybe I just didn't get around to it. I don't know. But pretty much everything else, I think, except for those couple of pages, printed okay with the fit to page item ticked in my print options. So beautiful. And I haven't printed the ephemera for that kit before, and it's so gorgeous. I just love it. Okay, and this next kit is one I've shared with you before as well. And when I was thinking about perspective and how I wanted to move forward with these journals, this was a kit that I decided I wanted to play with at different sizes. So this is the You've Got Mail kit, and it's a selection of really beautiful postcards. So I've gone ahead and I printed this 2 to a page. I do have it printed at full size already. So these are printed on matte photo paper. And I believe with this kit I deselected the fit to page option. I can hear gardening happening outside, and I'm hoping it's not too loud in camera. I do apologize if it is, but I'm going to move forward with this video. Okay, so this is a new kit from JunkWithSteph, and I haven't shared this with you before. This is printed at 4 to a page, and I've just realized I should have grabbed the 2 to a page first. I haven't printed this one at full size. So this is Paper Pack Pastel Damask, 4 to a page, and I've printed it on matte photo paper. And I just think they are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Some beautiful soft pastel colors. Okay, so that was JunkWithSteph Paper Pack Pastel Damask, printed at 4 to a page on matte photo paper. I have the same kit here, printed at 2 to a page, and these are printed on normal copy paper this time. I just think these are so pretty, and they'll lend themselves to so many different things. Very, very subtle. The colour in these two is just so subtle. I'm hoping, oops, I've got 2 there. I'm hoping it shows in camera okay. Okay, so that was JunkWithSteph Paper Pack Pastel Damask at 2 to a page. Okay, so this next kit I have is, I believe, a relatively new kit. This is JunkWithSteph Collage Papers Kit Volume 12, French Country, and is printed at 2 to a page on normal copy paper. So gorgeous. Okay, there were a number of papers. That's why that last one has a blank section at the bottom, and I didn't realize when I was printing until it came out blank at the bottom, and I was just like, I could have got myself another paper. Just a heads up, if that ever happens to you, you can actually turn your page around as long as you know which way your paper feeds through your machine, and print at the other end, which I've often done, and I possibly will with that as well before I go ahead and use it. So okay, so that was Collage Papers Kit Volume 12, French Country, at 2 to a page, And then I have Junk with Steph Collage Papers Ephemera Volume 12, French Country. And I'll just check. And you can see there's quite a few pages in this kit. I didn't actually write down how many there were. So pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that little stack of papers there so that you can take in all of its glory. And I wanted to say a huge thank you to Steph from Junk with Steph for allowing me to showcase your beautiful digitals as a member of your design team. Again, I apologise for the background noise. I'm hoping it won't be too loud in camera. And I hope you've enjoyed looking through these kits as much as I've enjoyed sharing with you. I'm really excited to start my new little venture. So I look forward to seeing you all soon, everybody. Please stay safe, stay inspired, and happy crafting. I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.